Hello. Yeah, we'll start talking when there are one or two people and go join. So my life is not going to go to wega. Pasina munhu aripo na kumabasa. But anyway, I will just say whatever I want to say just for a few minutes, then I log out. I don't know. Pane vanhu varipo here panapa kana kuti hapana. Tisiyane nazvo. Ndaloga nechikweni. Is it my page? Ndaloga papage ravo kana kuti paprofile. Hello. Am I on my page or my profile? It won't allow me to see. It won't allow me to see. Okay, let me check using another phone within Repap. Let me check. Let me check. The Repap in the Repap. Murisei, ko. Okay, I'm on my page. I was a bit worried in the log and Repap. Am I on my page or on my profile or on someone else's page? Because in my page I'm at no administrator account. So I just wanted to talk a few bits about Facebook monetization. Vanhu vakawanda nhasi kunyanya nhasi vari kunetseka. Vanhu vari kutaura zvakasiyana siyana pamusoro Facebook monetization. Vamwe vachiti Zuka hachade nemari. Yeah, there are some changes. Mari yadzikira, but not as what people are seeing. Zvamuri kuona zvimwe zviri kuonekwa nevanhu is because of some misinterpretation, which I'm here to debunk that misinterpretation. I just want to add some clarification on kuti zvii zviri kuitika. If we go back a little bit, Facebook yaipa kana ari mavideos, especially mavideos vanhu ndo vari kuchema nawo. Mavideos aishowewa as maplays, right? Waiti ukaposta reel kana ukaposta video, it will show number of plays. What do they mean when they say plays? Play inongoreva kuti video yaapia pa screen pe munhu anokufollowa or asingakufollowe, depending on your reach. Kana munhu akaplaya video yako for at least 3 seconds, that will count as a play. Then, fast forward towards the end of last year, Facebook yakachinja zvema plays, vakungoti everything, vakumati ma views. Saka again, kana iri video or a reel, chinocounta as a view is when a video or a reel shows on the screen of munhu anokufollow or asingakufollow. It shows on their screen, and if they play, vakadzvanya play for at least 3 seconds, that will mean it is counted as a view. So at least 3 seconds. So even akakontinya kusvika kupera kwevideo chero yakareba 10 minutes, it's one view. But akaita view maybe osiya osudzoka futi achitangidza, it's counted as 2 views. Right. So vanhu vane ma-million views, vane ma-5.9 million views, ma-10 million views, ma-10,000 views, but they are crying kuti pa 1 million view, right, ndiri kuwana $1. Zviri kufamba sei? What's happening? So zvimwe zvingangodaro zviri kuitika ndezvekudai. So I'm not saying it's definitive. Of course, my payouts akadzikira zvawo, yeah, but pane zvimwe zvinhu zvamuri kuignore. Like I said, ndataura about chinonzi view chi. Kudhara maplays aikaunda iwayo kuti video yakaonekwa at least 3 seconds, it count as a play. Now akutaurwa as my views. But those metrics, Facebook inobhadhara papi. Does that mean munhu akaona video yako for 3 seconds, umwe wobva aona 10 minutes dzese, zvinobhadharwa zvakafanana here? The answer is no. So even though 3 seconds views achikaunda as my views ekuti video yako yaonekwa, so you may find it out of 1 million people who have viewed your video, probably less than 10% have watched your video up until to the end. If you click my insights and my metrics of your content, you will see Pineagan's 3-second views, 10-second, 1-minute views. Right, if you go my 1 minute or 60-second views those are the ones that matter the most. So 60 seconds views no are no baddarwa ne Facebook. Saka video ikaonekwa for at least 1 minute, munhu akatarisa pa screen pake achiona achiviewa video yako for at least a minute, ndokuti Facebook iti now we are paying for this video. So this is the thing now. Kune vanhu vekuti video inongouya because anokufollowa kana kuti yasharewa nemunhu waanofollowa kana kuti waari friend naye. So obviously that video will appear on their screen, or maybe it's being suggested to them because of my recommendations ariko. Facebook recommends some pages depending nekuti unofarira zvinhu zvakaita sei. Saka inorecommenda some pages are similar to the content that you follow. Saka those pages, they just appear on your timeline. But because munhu ari kuiona anogona kungoona just 3 seconds obva nguti this is nonsense, obva atoskipper. Saka that view is still counted per 1 million views dzako. But because munhu haana kuwatcha video for at least a minute, you are not going to be paid for that particular view. That's another thing that I want you guys to understand. You are not going to be paid for that particular view. So my views are, if you look per my insights and my views and you go to your video, check pane ma 3-second views ndo akawanda. Ma 10 seconds views anomungadzikira mbijana. My 1 minute views or 60-second views, they are way down. So it now depends on how interesting your content is. If you are posting zvinhu zvekuti vanhu havanakidzwe nazvo nekuramba vachizviona, then they will not count for payment. Zvati siyanei nekuma reels. Kuma reels vanozotangira pa 10 seconds to pay, because my reels, at least pamutemo wema reels, kuti unzi waposta a quality reel, it has to be at least 15 seconds. That's another thing. Kana takutarisa ma reels, some people post ma reels anenge ari 10 seconds long. Some people post my reels anenge ari 3 seconds, 5 seconds long. Facebook will pay a reel iri at least 15 seconds long. Right? That is considered as a quality reel yaunenge waposta. There are other things you consider for my reels. Right? So my specifications in my reels, of course my reels anosvika ku, it can be as short as 3 seconds. So ukaita reel iri at least 3 seconds, Facebook might pay, because avanyatso publish it the way they pay. But these are the things that zvandakaona nezvandakatsvaga ndikawana. My 3 seconds reels anogona kuwana or something, but not as much as at least 15 seconds reel. Then zvimwe zvacho pama reels enyu ndezvekuti you guys are using the wrong vanhu vane monetization dzema reels or content monetization muchiposta ma reels. If you use the wrong aspect ratio, go and find out. I'm not going to explain what aspect ratio is about. Ukashandisa wrong aspect ratio, it means your reel is poor quality. It doesn't matter whether yaita 10 million views. So again, watoluza pakuti waposta a poor quality reel. by using wrong aspect ratio. Again, your reel should be on MP4, not any other video. My videos are not any other video format. It should be on MP4 format. All right, so these are the things to check muchiposta mareels enyu. Inofanira kunge iri MP4 format to maximize my earnings. There are people, even on Marukuchema right now, but there are people who are still earning as much as they used to, and nothing has changed. Majority is crying, but nothing has changed for other people. So 1 aspect ratio, 2, it should be at least 15 seconds to get paid, Marinem Soro. 3, it should have a resolution of at least 1080 pixels. Those zvinhu zvamuri kuleka zviri kuleka pamavideos evanhu. And Facebook will look at those things, my metrics iwayo, when they are paying my videos. So I just wanted to clarify on that, because Facebook yakabvisa my plays ikaisa my views. If in content yatino poster my post, my pictures and stuff like that, yani my views as well, so it just counts as views. My views is kungoti zvaapia pa screen, but in terms of my post, my pictures and my text and stuff like that, Facebook will pay for how many times that post has been reacted to, commented to, and how many shares happened to that. You will be surprised to find that in a post you're going to get less reactions, less comments, but you bother on more than a post in a more reactions and more comments. Again, it also comes to the quality of your content. How interesting is it? Are you repetitive? Because Facebook now, their algorithms, yes, and stuff like that, but Facebook wants you to be creative. You are content creators, so you have to be creative. Don't continue doing the same thing time and again. So the same concept, same format. Facebook will get tired of you. Vanoneta saka avazokubhadhare as they used to, because ukuramba ushandisa same concept. So you have to be creative, bring new ideas to your content, and you will see that even mari ichita siyadzikira mabhadhariro avanoita, but your content might still flourish. You said vamwe maybe kushaya time yekunyatsoita zvecontent zvacho, but yeah, this is the knowledge that I just found out, and I'm just sharing with you guys. It might help 1 or 2 people. Okay, I wasn't reading any comments. I don't know if there are any comments here. There are no comments. What does it say? Comments with stars. I don't want to see comments with stars. I want to see all comments. No, I can't see any comments. Okay. Yes, praiseworthy. Yeah. So people are just crying. Hey, Facebook haichabhadhara, ichiri kubhadhara. There are people who are still getting paid. Ichiri kubhadhara. Inonzi aspect ratio. Right. Antipona pataitorwa mapicture papa aizonamirwa Harare Gardens. Vaitokubvunza kuti unoda picture rakakura sei. It's a ratio. It can be 9:16, 9 per width, 16 per length or per height. Saka video yako kana iri reel, ichionekwa as a reel, inofana kuzadza screen rese usually for my phone mahombaya, my Samsung, my big phones, or my iPhone 15, 16 Pro Max. That video kana munachiplay inofana kuzadza screen rese. Kwete kuti video kanoenda pakati, so kumwe kwese kumusoro nekuzasi kuri black. Already it means you have used the wrong aspect ratio. Faith, I don't know if you understand what I mean. So aspect ratio is 9:16 in terms of width and height. Those no aspect ratio. So ukashandisa wrong aspect ratio, don't expect to get paid the same. Nemunashandisa the correct aspect ratio, even iwewe my views ako akawanda kupfuura yamunhu. Right, I just want to take 1 or 2 questions, then I log out. Some people might probably view this later on. I know a lot of people are at work and it's for bus. 1 or 2 questions, then I go. If there are no questions, then I will just log out. And yeah. Anyone? Any questions? Pane ane mubvunzo here. Right, another thing is Facebook yakavhurira page, profiles, that content monetization thing. From my own understanding, it did come with zvakauya zvine kabug mazviri. Nditori page amwe andiri kurwisana nawo izvezvi kuti Facebook igadzirise, because as soon as takaita set up that content monetization program on those pages, akabva atanga kunzi you are not eligible for monetization and stuff like that, when there's nothing chakanga chiri wrong. Panama policies, community guidelines or monetization policies akabreakwa ipapo. Kungo set up chete content monetization yavakasenda invite ivo kwakutonzi you are no longer earning. So we are looking into it, and I'm still waiting. I've got loads of tickets that are open for different pages that I administrate, and I'm still waiting for Facebook to come back to me, and those tickets are still open up until now. If I get any information or any reliable information, I will tell you. But people speculate, not speculate, and I know I'm not saying don't go and listen. And then I do it pandinenge free time. I don't do this all the time. And you find that some people will come to my inbox expect I might not be able to do that. I'm sorry, because unless you send a message, I'm free that time, then I might be able to respond and help you. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves, and it's almost weekend. Enjoy your weekend wherever you are. I was about to say something. I wanted to talk about something. I'm forgetting now. Mzazondita akupenga because angachikangana kutaura zvanga achida kutaura. Tokuziva munototora screenshot mvamata atheist uyo ari kupenga anzi akurasa njere because akanganwa zvanga achida kutaura. Don't do that. It's not right. Okay. So yeah, guys, I'll just continue doing what you guys are doing. Another thing is, you guys, you need to invest in quality cameras. If you're a content creator who is doing this as a full-time job, and you are doing videos and stuff like that, invest time yenyu kuma camera machine. Quality ye video yako is very important. I don't know how I can say this. Facebook haikupi mari pa mavideo ane utsi, mavideo ane mute. Vanenge vachikupa mari yei video yako ine chiutsi, you won't get anything for that. Invest in good quality videos. Kana mchitra ma videos pane rima, chagai zvima light, zvima ring light, zvima flood lights, and make sure kuti mukaenda kuma studios kunogadzira ma movies vane ma flood lights ekuti vanenge vakanyatsoisa proper light, and they are so creative. And you know, that's what you should be doing as a content creator, because you are a creator, you have to be creative as a creator, right? So that's it. Enjoy yourselves, guys. I'm logging out. After, you are free to type in your comments or your questions. I will ask. If you come to inbox, I might not be able to respond to you in time, because inbox and ones comment section. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend. We are going back. Video later on. Later. Bye, guys. Cheers.